Welcome back. This is Mr. Piddlecaw discussing a quiz problem from the Pre-Calculus Honors class. This is question number 3. It says, determine the equation of the graphed function that is of the form y equals a sine bx or y equals a cosine bx. And cut off from the screen, it says where b is positive and x is in degrees. So the first thing you see on the graph is that the x-axis is in degrees, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Well, that's just pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. But we're going to be talking about degrees. All right. First thing to discuss, so we have A for amplitude and B for frequency. We do not have a phase shift and we do not have a vertical translation. So phase shift is 0, vertical translation is 0. Don't have to be concerned with it. What we do need is an amplitude and a frequency. Well, first off, let's figure out what the frequency of this thing is. If we start here on the y-axis, we go up and we go down, that's 1 cycle, up and down, that's 2 cycles when we hit 360 degrees, which remember is 2 pi. So for this graph, B is 2. All right, now we got to figure out what the amplitude is. Well, it's centered about the x-axis, and it goes up to 3, and it goes down to -3. So the amplitude is 3. Now, what might confuse you a little bit is that the sine function starts at the origin, and the cosine function starts at positive on the y-axis. But everything here has been flipped upside down. How do you flip it upside down? This is where that silly negative amplitude comes into play. So our equation is going to be y equals -3. Now, if we were to put this point up here and go down, that would be a cosine. Cosine of, we said the frequency was 2. So the equation must be y equals -3 times cosine of 2x. And when I submit that, I get a green check mark. And that is the end of the problem.